I'm Vern Dixon. I'm the Senior Program Manager at an oil and gas company. We primarily focus on natural gas production in Pennsylvania. Our office is located in Fort Worth, Texas. We have around 57 automations in production. I've been using Automation Anywhere for around 6 years. Our use cases focus around accounting and finance. We have some that have moved into our land department, focusing mainly on lease records. The valuable features of Automation Anywhere really are around the ease of use. So our RPA program really focuses on citizen development, and all of the developers that I have full-time jobs as accountants, and then they work in automation on the side when time allows. Our benefits in using Automation Anywhere, we really focused on error reduction and moving people to work on more high-value tasks. So things that normally would take a lot of time for someone to do that didn't really add a lot of value to their job, having a bot do that for them. I like the user interface. I would like to see some improvement on some of the automation around screen processing. So maybe adding some artificial intelligence on the way the bots actually can read the screens and know when things change and be able to adapt to those changes. The pricing that we received from Automation Anywhere in the beginning was very economical for us. We've seen a lot of benefit from what we spent to what we're receiving. So from the beginning, it's been a very low cost implementation for us. So some of the benefits that we have seen, we've actually have a bot that has actually taken a job that one person was doing, and we were able to move that person into another position and use the bot to do what they were doing, which was basically coding invoices. We also have seen a department that had 10 people that were doing a process, and we were able to reduce that number down to 2 people actually doing the same process and move those other people into a more value-added task. So when we started our journey, we evaluated UiPath, Pega, and Automation Anywhere. And we brought all 3 in to do a proof of concept. And from that, we actually determined Automation Anywhere would be the easiest to use for our citizen developers. After the Automation Anywhere proof of concept, I actually had one of the accountants go back to her desk, and she was able to create a bot without any training, which that kind of sold us on Automation Anywhere at that point. Before Automation Anywhere, we did not have any kind of automated solution. In reality, our audit partner came back and said that we should be doing some automation using an RPA product. At that point, my boss asked me to go and figure out which was the correct product for us to use, and we started our journey then. During our deployment, the first and most important thing that we did was to make sure that we got everyone trained. And so we spent a lot of upfront time training our developers, and that really paid off in the long term. We ran them all through Automation Anywhere University, so they did all the online training, and then we brought Automation Anywhere in and did classroom training for our developers. And that really paid off with dividends. We were able to end up with 8 good developers out of that process. When we started with Automation Anywhere, we were on-prem with the V11 version, and then we migrated to the cloud with A360. We saw a tremendous increase in productivity by going to the cloud. We currently aren't using any other cloud providers. Automation Anywhere has been very stable for us. The control rooms are up. We haven't had any issues or major issues where we had significant downtime. Automation Anywhere scales very easily as you grow with your program. You're able to add bot runners as needed, as well as control rooms. It's very easy to add additional resources for your programming. Automation Anywhere support's been very good. We're able to put in tickets and request support, and we'll have a support engineer contact us and help us resolve whatever issues that we have. Rating the Automation Anywhere support, I would probably give them a 9, and my thoughts are just the initial contact a lot of times might be a chatbot that would be your initial response, but many times you need to talk to a real engineer to actually get the issue resolved. But all in all, it's been very good. Sometimes the chatbot can help you resolve your issues without having to further escalate. Overall, I would rate Automation Anywhere as a 10 as a solution for process automation. It's been very easy for us to use, and I don't think that we could have done it with any other solution with our citizen developers. So my advice to other companies that are looking to purchase Automation Anywhere would be to make sure you have a champion for your process automation program so that you can get support throughout the organization, and Automation Anywhere will be a trusted partner to help you through that process.